everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and under this lid the magic has begun. But before I open that lid, I just want to say thank you so much to Bloom Plus for sponsoring this channel. I will be using one of their grow lights. It is the BP 1500. It is a full spectrum LED grow light, sleek in design, powerful enough for a 3-foot by 3-foot area coverage, and you can see my pepper plants are growing underneath. The light is 24 inches above them and they are growing beautifully. If you're interested in their grow lights, you can check out the link below. The BP 1500 is 20% off right now. So once again, thank you to Bloom Plus, and let's check the magic in that container. Okay, take a look. This is exactly 14 days later, and you can see right there and right there I have the first 2 pepper plants coming, and they look gorgeous. You notice that typical hoop, and that is a really good sign that they're gonna pop up with their false leaves, and this is critical. At this stage you want them under the grow light. I'm going to take them off the heating pad and get them directly underneath the grow light. Because my grow light is 24 inches above these particular pepper plants, and they're already reaching their second true leaves, and some of them are already heading into their 3rd set, my grow light is 24 inches above the plants. For these little dudes, I want the grow light to be 18 inches above. So what I'm going to do is take one of my containers and flip it over. This container up high enough where then the grow light is 18 inches above that container. Because Bloom Plus's grow lights are powerful and mimic the sun so well, I don't have to have the grow light just inches away from these really small pepper plants. What they're going to do is come up and they're going to feel the sun, which is the grow light, and they're going to open up immediately, which will cause them to be nice and sturdy and short. They won't be leggy trying to find the sun. What they're going to do is find it immediately, and that's what's critical in this stage. This prevents your pepper plants from being leggy, a term used when the plant comes up and can't find the sun, and they grow. They don't open their false leaves at first, and they get so tall that they kind of fall over. Then they have their false leaves out and they're just not strong at all. What I'm looking for is nice sturdy plants. So they have nice thick stems like this, and it all comes down to this particular stage. As soon as you see your pepper plants come up, you need to get them underneath the grow light ASAP to prevent legginess. So once again, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and check the links below if you're interested in the BP 1500 by Bloom Plus, and we'll see you on the next video.